Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by converting mixed numbers into improper fractions because multiplication is straightforward that way. First, multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. That gives you the new numerator. For example, 3 1/2 becomes 7/2. Do this for every mixed number. Make sure you write the fraction clearly with numerator above denominator. Once both are improper, you're ready to multiply across. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, so keep the work neat. Now multiply the fractions directly. You multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. But before you multiply, look for common factors to cancel. This keeps numbers small and reduces arithmetic errors. For instance, if you see a 2 in a numerator and a 4 in a denominator, divide both by 2 first. Once canceled, multiply the remaining numbers. If you didn't cancel earlier, multiply, then simplify the resulting fraction by dividing by the greatest common factor, so the fraction is in lowest terms. Finish by converting any improper fraction back into a mixed number. Divide the numerator by the denominator to get the whole part and the remainder over the denominator. Then reduce the fractional part to simplest terms. Once done, estimate quickly to confirm the answer makes sense. For example, 2 times 1/2 should be about 3. If the result seems wrong, recheck your initial conversions and each canceling step. Most mistakes come from missed reducing or a conversion error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.